So, gagasgasan natin to. Okay. Steel. So, for this one pala, ito yung standard coating ngayon ng mga Rock Island pistols. Okay. So, tingnan nyo. Dito, ayaw na. Wala na. Nandiyan na yan. Okay. So, for dito sa bagong coating, okay, yan na, wala na. So that's it, guys. Very excited for this new development, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Ingat.
Magic!